Yeah. So, hi friends. Welcome to welcome to DurgaSoft online training sessions and myself K Prakash Babu, having almost 15 plus years of experience as a trainer. Sir, I have a question for you. Please tell me which course we are going to start now. Please confirm. Hmm. Yes, you register.
MySQL.
Very good. Very good. So yeah, good, good. So we are going to start a new MySQL online batch. See, the fees is very less, almost 1,000 rupees. Sir, the timings of this session is from 6:30 p.m. to 7:30 p.m. These 3 days I'm going to take demo sessions. Like today is a Thursday, and we are going to take another demo tomorrow, Friday, and Saturday. These 3 days demo will be there, and we are going to continue the classes from Monday. Actually, already I started this batch. Okay, so already the regular batch got started. For them, we hold for 5 to 6 days. So then I'm planning this add-on batch. Now I'm going to combine you people with that batch. I'm going to combine you people with that batch. So from Monday onwards. But today I'm going to explain. So the syllabus, complete syllabus, what we are going to discuss in detail. Okay. Now let us talk about MySQL syllabus. What topics we are going to cover under this? Next, sir, coming to the syllabus, the first topic which we are going to see is introduction. Introduction to database. Like what is mean by database? Why we need to go for database? What is MySQL? Okay, so why we need this database? If you want to store the information, already we have a concept of files. Again, why we need to go for database? Next, and after that, we are going to see introduction to MySQL. So we have so many databases are there. Like we have Oracle database is there, SQLite is there. So we have MongoDB is there. Like that, there are so many databases are there. No SQL is there. When we have these databases, why we are going for MySQL? Is there any specialty? Is there any specialty that we are going to discuss? Next, and after that, we are going to see installation of MySQL workbench. Why installation of MySQL and also workbench. See, if you want to work with any language or if you want to work with any database, compulsory we have to install that database in your system. Then only we can able to practice. Okay, sir, 1 second. So next term, we are going to see the data types. See, if you want to learn any programming language or anything, especially in this MySQL, we will deal with the data. Every time we are going to deal with the data only. For example, sir, I want to store some information, like I want to take a name of a student. Sir, what type of data type it is? In C language, it is nothing but a character array. In C language, it is nothing but a character array. In Java and we will call it as a string. In MySQL, it is called as var character. Var character. Sir, what is this var character? What type of data it is going to accommodate? Like other programming languages, we have to declare. So I'm going to declare that data type. So data types, what are the different data types present in MySQL? We are going to list out. After that, we are going to see basic CRUD operations, basic CRUD operations on database. So means what, sir? How you can able to create a database? See, MySQL in the sense completely it is not database, it is actually storage. They are going to provide some kind of storage for us. In that, if you want, you can create a database. Inside this database, you can create some tables. Okay, in this table, we are going to store the data. Sometimes if you want, you can connect one table with another table. This table, I want to connect it to this table. Like that also possibility is there. So I want to connect this database with another database. Yes, we can connect databases. This is database. This is database. It is the environment provided by MySQL. And these are nothing but called as what? Tables. Like that, sir, if I want to create manually a database, is it possible? Sir, I want to implement one Python project. Like I want to read some student details from the user. I want to store the data and I want to retrieve. So for that, we have to write a Python program, right? So for that, we need to create a database because without a database, we can't create tables. So how to create that database? If work is done, if you dump the database to the original database, how you can drop? If you want to modify, how you can do? All these things we are going to see. See here, CRUD means, C means creation, R means reading or retrieving, U means updating, D means deleting. Sir, on the same way, what are the various CRUD operations that we are going to perform on tables? Like how to create a table, how you can able to store the information into the table. If you want, how you can retrieve, all table related activities also we are going to perform here. Next, and after that, we are going to see how we are going to use or how you can able to create. So creation of tables. Before that, there is one important concept is there, like SQL commands. See, in this MySQL, we have some group of categories are there, which are called as commands. If you want to perform any activity with the help of commands only, we have to perform. Suppose I want to insert some data. We have to write a command. That command is called as query, sir. That command is called as what? Query. So how you are going to write the query? To insert the records, how you are writing the query to delete the record, how you are writing the query to perform update operation, all these things we are going to see. There are some categories are there, friends, like DML queries, DCL queries, TCL queries, DQL queries, all these things we will discuss. So after that, how you can able to create creation of tables we are going to see. After that, we are going to see inserting records into the table. What are the various possible ways are there inserting records into table? Sir, once if it is inserting is completed, if any mistake is done, how you can able to update? So updating, okay, updating records in the table, how you can able to perform this update? Even once if the task got completed, sometimes I want to remove some records. So how to delete the records from the table, from the table. So these commands we are going to discuss. And after that, we have one special topic called operators. So like other languages, here also, we have so many operators are there. Maybe if I want to compare a number with another number, or I want to provide some salary as the input to the query. So based on that salary, I want to retrieve all the employees who are having salary less than that particular amount. Like if you want to do that all activities, we have to go for which one? Operators. So there are so many operators are there, like arithmetic operators, relational operators, like operator, logical operators. Based on this, we are going to see how we can. Sir, once if you know the operators, we can understand how you are going to select the data. Selecting data from table. What are the various options are there to select the data from table? We are going to see. Next, sir, I created a table. So I inserted some records. Everything is okay. But I have suddenly one requirement came. At the time of creating a table, at the time of creating a table, like that, I created one table. So this is nothing but the table which I created. Sir, this table is having only 4 columns are there. This is the first column, second column, third column, fourth column. Now suddenly I got one more column, like fifth column. where we can insert. If you want at the very beginning, you can insert. If you want in between this, if you want in between this, or if you want here, or if you want here, anywhere you can insert. Sometimes I want to delete this column. Sometimes whatever column is there, I want to change the type. Like if you want to do any modifications on the existing table, we have one command is there called alter command. So we are going to see in detail about that alter command. What is the purpose of alter command? It is used to perform alteration on the table. Once if the table got created, what are the various operations that you can able to perform on the table for altering? Those commands will be alter commands. So how to add a column, how to remove a column, how to upgrade the column, how to delete the column, like all these things we are going to see in this. Sir, once if it is done, there is one more concept is there called views. Views are there. Sir, at the top level I am explaining. So what is mean by views? Suppose if you have a table with a large content. uh, Suppose if you have a table with a large content, so I want to view not all the columns. I don't want all the columns. I want to view a specific columns. So, or I want to work with these columns in the real time also. So I need to create another table, and I have to copy these two columns into that. Never recommended. What we can do is simply you can able to create a view on this. So it won't create any extra table. It will use the existing table only. It will use the existing. One second. So we are going to create a view on that table. By using this view, what we can able to do, we can see what is happening, and we can insert the records from this view. So it is something like a virtual table. It won't create any physical table. It will use the virtual table. Okay. This is nothing but what we have. And another topic is there with the name indexes. So, but for better search operation, sir, I want to implement a query which is going to get the data from a table, but in that label, in that table, some lakhs of records are there. Sir, how you can able to fetch that lakhs of records? So I want to search for a data in that lakhs of records, right? In such cases, if you use indexing concept, searching efficiency is going to be improved. Sometimes we are going to use a binary search tree. Sometimes we are going to use B trees for better indexing operation. So next and after that, we are going to see joining of tables. Joining of tables. Sir, I have two tables are there. How you can join those two tables? How you are going to join those two tables? We are going to see. So for joining tables, we have union is there, and there is join command like inner join, outer join, okay, cross join, okay, left inner join, left outer join. Like this, we have different joins are there. Anyway, I will explain in detail. Next and after that, sorting records. Sir, while fetching the data, I want to arrange the data in order. Either it may be ascending order or descending order. How you can sort? Next and after that, I want to perform selection. Sir, how you can apply where class? Where class means how you can able to select the records based on some condition. And even we have group by class is there. How you are going to select the data by based on group. Suppose all the college student data is available in the database, around 1,000 records are there. I want to select the data based on CSE department. I want to select the data based on artificial intelligence department. How you can fetch? For that, we have to apply this group by class. Then in that group by, if you want to apply any condition, we can go for having. Sir, having, it is the same. It is the same like where. But where is applying for all the records, but having will apply only for a group. I will show you all these things, don't worry. Next and after that, sir, there is one important topic is there like constraints. Sir, how to create a primary key, how to create a foreign key, how you can create a unique constraint, how you can create a not null constraint, okay, how you can create a default constraint, how you can create a check constraint. We are going to see. Next and after that, so we are going to discuss about stored procedures, how to create a stored procedure, okay, how you can call the stored procedure, what is the functionality of stored procedure. There are some parameters like in parameter, out parameter, how to deal with that. All these things we are going to discuss in this. Next and after that, exception handling. Sir, while retrieving the data, if any runtime error is coming, how you are going to rectify that? If any runtime error is coming, how we are going to rectify that? That exception handling mechanism we are going to see. Next and after that, cursors. What is mean by cursor? When we can use these cursors? So while fetching the data one by one, we can use this cursor, something like it is a loop, sir. I will explain in detail. At top level, you can't understand now. So similar to stored procedures, we have functions also there. What is mean by function? How you can create function? There are some predefined functions also there, like math functions, date and time functions, string functions, how to work with that. Next and after that, there is one concept with the name triggers, which is going to execute automatically. So whenever I'm inserting some records into the table, I want to alert or I want to get some counter value to be incremented. Like if you want to perform any such type of activities, then we can create a trigger. In that trigger, we are going to store the information. Next and after that, we are going to see transaction management. So like how you can able to roll back the queries, how you are going to use a commit operation, all these things. Next and after that, permission management means what is how to create the user, how you can able to give permission for selecting the data, for inserting the data, for retrieving the data, how you can give the permission. And at last, we are going to see the concept of subqueries, and also data. With one small mini project, I'm going to take this entire MySQL course. Now, if you are having any queries, if you are having any queries on the syllabus, you can feel free to ask. Any queries? Sir, please confirm. Do you have any queries in the syllabus?
No, sir.
Sir, I need response from everyone. I need response from everyone. Right. Good. Good. Now, so directly I am starting the syllabus. First thing which I am explaining is CRUD operations on database. Today, just at the top level, how to perform various CRUD operations on database, we will see. Just give me a minute. I will connect my charger. Just give me a minute. So someone is asking, sir, what is the duration of the course? The duration of the course is nothing but total we have 1 month. Maximum 1 month is also not required. Around 25 sessions we are going to take. Okay, 25 hours of class will be there. Okay. And these videos you are going to get for 6 months access and running notes permanent. Even I'm going to give some practice tables also. All those things we can create and you can practice. Okay, Anand, clear? Right. Sir, am I audible? Please confirm so that I will continue. Yes. So CRUD operations on database. Anyway, I will explain how to install all these things. See, there is some CRUD operations we can perform. So I already told what is mean by database, but in the introduction part, I will explain in detail. But directly, I'm going to already in my system, MySQL is installed. Directly, I'm running the applications. See, to run the applications, I'm going to select a command prompt. We have to select a command prompt. From here, we have to do all our activities. So what is the first thing that I'm taking here is we have to connect to MySQL. How to connect to the MySQL database? MySQL, at the time of installing, I have given some username. Like what is the username that I have given is root. MySQL -u root. Username is nothing but root -p. What is the password that I am giving root? So I connected to MySQL server where I am giving username as what root and the password also as what root. Now I connected to the MySQL database. Okay, fine. Sir, from here, I am going to check how many databases are there in my MySQL. How to view the databases? Listen carefully. So viewing list of databases present in MySQL. So for that, there is one command is there, sir. What is that command is? We can use the following syntax. We can use the following syntax to view list of list of databases present in MySQL. Sir, what is that command? That syntax is nothing but just we have to use show databases. Sir, actually our MySQL is not case sensitive. That means we can take lowercase letters, we can take uppercase letters. There is no problem at all. We can take lowercase letters as well as we can take uppercase letters. Both will be considered as the same. But for our easy understanding purpose, in my classes, I'm going to take uppercase. I'm going to take uppercase for commands which are already available. So if you are seeing anywhere in my notes uppercase characters, that indicates there is a predefined command with that name. So show is nothing but a predefined command. Database is nothing but command like that we have. So if you type this, what will happen? It is going to display the list of databases which are available. Sir, you can see just I am going to type show databases. What it is going to do? The list of databases which are there in my system, it is going to display. You can see, sir, total how many databases are there? 23 databases are there. I told already we started the batch, right? This is nothing but that batch database. So in that, I'm going to have so many tables, everything, whatever I'm discussing will be there in this only. But anyway, these are created for my previous batches. I'm going to delete this soon. This is the way how you can able to display the list of databases. Which command we are using for that? Show databases. And I want to take one note. What is that note is? So if we want to clear the screen, if we want to clear the screen in command prompt, sir, how you can clear? So we can use the following command. What is that command is for clearing the screen? We can use the system space CLS. That's all, friends. If you want, you can see. So I want to clear this screen. Just the system space CLS. Automatically, it is going to erase all the previous content which is there in your screen. So up to now, I explained only two commands. What is the first command? How we can able to connect to MySQL database. So how you can able to view the list of databases which are available. So which command we are using for that? Show databases, which is going to display the list of databases. And there is one more command is there for clearing the previous screen. That command is nothing but system CLS. If I use that command, what will happen? It is going to clear the previous screen. Sir, up to this, no doubts, right? Please confirm. Sir, everyone, please respond. Up to this, no doubts, right? Please confirm. Sir, you can unmute and you can speak. Why you people are be silent?
No, sir, clear.
Good. Now, so what is the next command is, sir, how to select the database? How to select the database? Selecting, or I can say activating database. Sir, how you can able to select or how you can able to activate? So if you want to activate the database, first we need to see what are the list of databases. I mean, what are the default selected database in MySQL. So if we want to know the active database, if you want to know the active database in MySQL, for this also we have one query. So the following command we are going to use. So what is that command? Very simple. Select database. It is a function, sir. It is a predefined function. Now see what I am going to do. I am asking, sir, you can type it in small letters, no problem. Select database. So which database is as of now active? There is no database selected because we have 25 databases are there. At very time you switched into the command prompt, it won't select the default database. It is empty. As of now, there is no database. So whenever you are connecting to the MySQL, the first step what you have to do is select a proper database into which you need to create the tables. All these things we have to do. But at present, what is the database? Null. Sir, I want to activate. So if we want to activate the database, so then we have one command is there. The following command. So we will use. What is that command? Sir, very simple. I am going to take use DB name. Sir, have you observed? I am going to take that DB name in small letters. Sir, if I am taking in small letters, what is the meaning? It is user defined. Any name you can take, need not be same name. So now I am going to open the command prompt and see what will happen. Sorry. So we have to type system CLS. As of now, what is the default database? Null. Sir, use something like I am taking AAA. Have you observed what message we got? Database changed. Now, if you ask select database, we are under which database? AAA. Now, whatever tables that you are creating or whatever objects related to the database that you are creating, all those things will be stored inside this particular AAA database only. This is the way how you can able to activate the database. Sir, when you are working with command prompt, compulsory we have to activate the database, then only we can operate. Sir, but if you are taking a Java program or Python programming, in the program itself, we are going to write the database name. While connecting, you are going to give username and password, all these things, right? There itself, we can provide database name to which database we need to connect. Sir, everyone clear about this? Please confirm.
Yes, sir.
Right. Sir, okay, everything is fine. I want to delete the database. So I want to delete the database. How you can able to delete the database? For this also we have some queries there. So we can use the following command to delete database from MySQL. Sir, what is that command that we are going to use, or what is that syntax that we are using? There is one command is there with the name drop. So drop database, we have to give the database name. Which database you want to delete, that database name you have to provide. So what will happen? Immediately it is going to delete that database permanently from MySQL. Sir, is it going to maintain any backup? No, that is secondary case that we will see later. In the administratives, we are going to discuss about that. But here, permanently it is going to delete because we connected to MySQL by using the administrator, like username is root, password is root. Okay. Sir, let us see. First, before that, I'm going to take a system CLS. Then I'm going to ask one command like show databases. We have 23 databases are there. Sir, I want to delete these 4 databases now. How to delete? Drop database. Drop database. What is the database name? Triple T. Okay. So next I want to drop. So I want to drop. So drop database. I'm going to take a triple V. So then drop database. I'm going to take a triple Y. So drop database, spelling mistake. So drop database, we are going to take triple Z. You can see after this, if you ask show databases, it is going to display only 19. All the remaining databases are deleted. This is the way how you can able to deal with databases. Sir, everyone feeling comfortable up to this, please confirm. Clear, sir, please confirm. Right, sir. So in today's session, just I explained what are the various operations, that is CRUD operations that we can perform on databases. So tomorrow we will see what are the various operations that we can able to perform on tables. Even I'm going to explain the list of data types which are available. Then in the Saturday class, I'm going to show you how to create a table, all these things. Okay, that's all about today's demo. Just a syllabus explanation and basic commands touch I have given. Tomorrow we are going to meet for the continuation, same time 6:30. I will start sharp at 6:30. Please be attend 5 minutes before. Okay, any queries?
Sir, which software you used to do this?
Sir, it is a MySQL software only. It is a freeware. Directly we can download from Oracle website. I will show you that installation process also. As of now, just you have to focus on the content. As of now, no worries on that. We will see later how to create and all. I mean, how to install and all. I will explain. Okay.
Okay, sir. Okay, thank you.
Right. Any other doubts, friends? Please confirm. Yeah, I think there is no doubts. Okay, guys. Tomorrow we will see at 6:30. Same link you have to use. Okay. Right, guys. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Bye bye.
Bye.